I joined the STAR team back on February 1st of 2024. I spent 5 years working on residential units, from split systems to sometimes we do a little bit of commercial, working on 10-ton rooftops, 15-ton rooftop units. But over here, I was nervous first coming because we have a lot of chillers and a lot of really big air handlers and things like that. But they didn't just throw me out there to fail. They really helped me to learn the equipment. They showed me around all the equipment. And one big thing that they offer that has helped tremendously is the training every other Thursday. The trainings are great. They've really helped me learn a lot. In residential, you know, everyone was running around, everyone was flying around, so you didn't really have downtime to really get to know the people who you were working with. Over here, our bosses, they do a great job. One time they even pulled me off to the side and were like, man, you're doing a great job, and we really appreciate all the work that you've been doing. And it's something I've never really got before. So of course I went home and I told my girlfriend that, because like I said, you don't really get to know the people who you're working with in residential, and to hear that is something I've never been told. So it's just a huge change over here, and it meant a lot.